Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome, man. As you can see right here, working on a PT Cruiser. I know. I rarely see these in the dealership anymore, but what I'm doing on this one is some struts. I got to replace both struts and two rear shocks. Now, there's nothing special about replacing struts. Nothing fancy, nothing trickery about doing them. But what is unique about the struts now, that you purchase now in the aftermarket world, is they come complete. Check this out. This particular strut, complete strut assembly, premium quality. See that? I'm trying to find out who make this thing. FCS Auto. I don't know. I don't care, as long as it's complete, because using a spring compressor to compress struts or springs are difficult and a little dangerous, but this particular struts came complete. Look at that. All ready to go. All you got to do is install it, put it in, and you're good to go. Wow. That should get rid of most of the bounce. Actually, she's just replacing these because she never had struts done. She got 200,000 miles. I think we done did everything to this car, from the timing belt, all the normal stuff that wear out over time. But she now says she wants some struts. They even give you the 3 bolts that come with them. But this is a complete strut, man. And I'm finna go ahead and knock this out right quick. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up. I'm sure it's been out a while, just that I haven't replaced struts in so long, I never had a chance to talk about it. So, and I'm also doing alignment on them. Now, alignment, I mean, these are the cam and cam bolts. This is where you adjust camber. Now, there's really no adjustment for camber on these. You will have to install a camber adjusting kit on this to adjust the camber. But to be safe, I sold an alignment, and I'm gonna put the car on the machine and check and make sure it's in alignment. And I'll probably end up setting the toe, but for the most part, camber is not adjustable. So even though I'm gonna remove the 2 cam bolts out of here, they obviously go in stationary. Camber is not adjustable. If your camber is off, you got some worn out parts, or you may need to install a camera adjuster kit to be able to adjust camera. But for the most part, it's not adjustable. But that's all I have, man. I just want to show y'all this complete strut. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.